Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, I would like to say thank you for watching in my presentation. It's great guys. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nurjana Latara. Please look at the video, okay? In this presentation, I will discuss about sales and advertisement. First, I will explain about selling and advertising. Selling an act of direct contact with a consumer to entice him to purchase a product or service. Advertising is an indirect contact with the consumer used to create awareness of a company, product, or service. Definition and explanation. Sales simply mean all those activities used to sell the product and services in the market. For businesses, a sale is to make an effort to satisfy customer and increase revenue for the company. Advertising known as a promotional tactic to influence, communicate, and inform people or customers about your product and services. The goal of advertising is to attract new consumers and reach out to the target market through an effective and result-oriented ad campaign. Differences between sales and advertising. The difference between sales and advertising has been detailed below. First, sales function. Different channels of distribution are used as push product strategy to make the product available to customers through retailers. Advertising function. It functions as a pull product strategy to convey message to consumer to increase the demand for the product. Sales objective. The main objective behind sales are the development to close the sales with efficiency. Advertising objective. Advertiser work to create interest and desire for the product among consumers. Sales reach. The sales representatives their consumer with a two-way communication strategy, and for this purpose, they may use phone calls or personal visits. Advertising reach. Advertisement media is a one-way communication process of reaching target consumer with the help of newspaper, billboard, television, etc. Sales frequency. Sales department work day and night to increase the sale or close the sale, but it is not a frequent activity. One product reach the desired destination of the consumer, the sale is considered closed. The sales representatives do not visit the consumer afterward. Advertising frequency. Advertiser use the advertising media frequently to convey the message to consumer. Consumer need to hear the advertisement again and again on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to understand the offer. Sale occurrence of transaction. It amounts to a valid financial transaction between seller and consumer. Advertising occurrence of transaction. Advertising does not involve in any transaction between advertiser and their audience. Sell, nature of activity and impact on cash flow. Sell is revenue generating activity which bring cash into the business. Advertising of activity. Advertising is a business expenses which causes a flow of cash from business. Sell existence of contract. Sales constitute a contract between seller and buyer. Advertising existence of contract. Advertising does not result in any contract between advertiser and their audience unless and until an actual sale happens. So, conclusion: sale versus advertising. In simple words, a sale is a contract or an agreement between buyer of consumer and seller of a specific good or service. An advertiser use several strategies to convey, influence, and inform the customer about the product, which in turn helps increase the sales of the product. Okay, thank you for watching video. Assalamualaikum.